What is up, YouTube? I am very excited. You may have noticed I took a couple of days off. I haven't put any videos up. I haven't even sent any emails out, and that's okay because in this business you can take a couple of days off. And I am super excited because I have something for you that is awesome. Okay, I have a set of 5 videos showing 5 different methods of making money almost immediately. I know a lot of people want to make money right away. They don't want to have to wait. I got 5 videos. I'm going to show you how to make money almost immediately. But it's not just 5 videos that you're going to show you how to make money immediately. I'm going to give you PLR to them. And then you're going to get them as a bonus with a course that's going to show you how to earn a steady monthly income online. It's all coming up in my review of the monthly income system. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. My jokes being stale all the time, really. They're stale. I admit it. I've got to get some new lines. You know, I keep telling Bart to get some new lines. I got to get some new lines too. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software info products and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you may ask? Well, regular viewers of the channel know it's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, I'll make you a deal. I'll get a new line if you get a new line. How's that sound? Okay, seriously. Seriously. The way things work, if I like a product, I will give you a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. See, Liz doesn't need a new line, even though she says the same thing every time. She's a sweetheart. Who can be angry at her? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much to you on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the monthly income system. Now, this is from my friend Dawud Islam, but he's not the one who's actually teaching it. It's somebody brand new, and you can see he's actually got some new screenshots up, which I'm really excited about. This guy, Kent Broser. This is his very first launch, and he's very excited. And he's really got some cool ideas about how to really make real money online, okay? And it's not the usual stuff, but as I said, when you pick this up from me, you're going to get PLR to 5 different courses showing you how to make money almost instantly. These are methods that I personally have used myself to make money. You're going to have access to the exact same courses, and you are going to have PLR to them. That means you get to give them away, sell them, use them as a bonus. You can even use my name. I have a pretty big following, you know, not to toot my own horn, but I do have a pretty big following. I am pretty well known as somebody who puts together quality courses and quality products. You get to give them away. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to the monthly income system, then I'm also going to give you PLR to my very own local video jackpot, or you can use PLR to the income formula. Now, if you already have PLR to local video jackpot, because I did give it away once. I have given away local video jackpot many times, but I've given PLR once as a bonus, so you can obviously get the income formula. If you have both of them, well, no, you wouldn't have both of them because I've never given away a PLR to the income formula. But if you want both of them, pick up any 2 upgrades, not just one. Pick up 2 upgrades. You can get both of them. There'll be instructions. Please do give us a couple of days. I know that a couple people are waiting for local video jackpot. We just finished packing it up today to send out to folks. So those who requested from the previous bonus that I offered as an upgrade bonus, the PLR to local video jackpot, it is ready. You are getting it today. By the time you see this video, you should have it already. It just takes a little bit of time because we have to go and download everything and pack it all up, and my assistant was busy with a couple other things for me, so we didn't have time to get it done until just today, but it has been done It has gone out. By the time you see this video, if you've already requested it, you should have it. If you are entitled to it and you didn't request it yet, feel free to do so. And if you didn't get it, of course, go ahead and grab monthly income system along with any upgrade you can get to PLR to Local Video Jackpot, and or if you pick up any 2 upgrades, you can get PLR to the income formula. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area over here just so you can see what it looks like. You can see it's just the basic training system, the main training. Okay, it's going to show you a few different methods of making money online. Okay, the usual bonuses. He's got my bonus here, durable, a couple other ones over here. So you're definitely going to be able to get some additional cool stuff. But again, my custom bonus that you are getting from me is going to be that you actually get PLR to 5 of my courses. I've never given PLR to these on how to make money online almost instantly. So even if you need to take some time to get this method going, you're going to have that method available to you immediately to start making some real money online and start building things up so that you can finally quit the old job, as I say, just over broke. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Well, yeah, that was kind of obvious, wasn't it? Seriously. Okay. Yeah, you rock. This is a cool system. For $12, you really can't go wrong. And when you include the fact that you get PLR to my 5 courses on how to make money online, it's really a no-brainer. Go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.